The Australian National Aged Care Classification is now in effect. Using independent assessors, the AN-ACC will replace ACFI, which means that care homes will no longer calculate their own residential funding needs. So what does this mean for you, your staff, and the residents you support? In our interactive course, we take you step by step through the assessment process, explaining the roles and responsibilities of managers and care staff, giving you a comprehensive understanding of the new process. We outline the new classification systems, the assessment tools used, and the documentation required, all to ensure that your residents receive the right funding and you and your staff are supported to provide the very best care. The AN ACC Funding Model, available from Altura Learning.